Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Bandhan Bank. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in retail.bandhanbank.com and click on enter. Now at the right hand side you can see a login option. You can either log in with your MPIN or an user ID. For those of you who want to log in with your MPIN, type in your phone number here and then type in your MPIN here and then click on get OTP. For those of you who want to log in with their user ID, type in a user ID here and password here and then click on this get OTP button, and the OTP will be set to your registered mobile number. Or if you have forgotten your user ID, click on this link, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link. And if you want to unlock your user ID, click on this link. And if you have forgotten and you want to know your customer ID, click on this link. Or if you had not registered it to the Bandhan Bank account, click on this link and follow the instruction to get your Bandhan Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.